Top 10 Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning Gadgets or Inventions Coming Soon. AI-powered personal assistants for homes and offices that can control devices, schedule appointments, and make phone calls. Smart home devices such as thermostats, security systems, and lighting that use machine learning algorithms to learn the preferences of users and make adjustments accordingly. Self-driving cars that use machine learning to navigate roads and avoid accidents. AI-powered drones for a variety of applications including delivery, search and rescue, and agricultural monitoring. Healthcare devices such as wearables and remote monitoring equipment that use machine learning to track vital signs and alert users or caregivers to potential health issues. Advanced robots, including those designed for manufacturing, logistics and other industries that can be programmed to learn and adjust to their environments. AI-powered financial and investment tools, such as robo-advisors and algorithm-based trading systems. AI-powered virtual reality and augmented reality technology that provide highly personalized and interactive experiences. AI-powered chatbots and virtual agents for customer service and other business applications. AI-powered translation and language learning devices that can help people communicate with those who speak different languages.